Paygate Enterprise. Here we are logging in using a username and a password. You can, if you wish, at this stage, use multi-factor authentication. Next stage is to bring a batch in a manual manner. We can do it automatically, which we'll show later. You've got the choice of BACS, faster payments, SEPA. You can go to action list and BACS reports and so on and so forth. But here we are just going to click on create submission. Once your BACS submission has been selected, you select the group, payroll in this particular case. Type in a submission reference, which is just something that means something to you. Demo 12345 here. Select submission file, and it will bring up a dialog box, which I'll drag onto screen so you can see, which allows you to select the file to import. Once the file is imported, you can see all of the transactions that are within the file, multi-page in this particular scenario, and then you click on validate payments. Once the file has been validated, or the batch has been validated, you can see that there's no issues there. You've got a nice green box at the top. You click on process submission. You find your batch within there, which is ready to sign by clicking on the click to select link. And then you can click on sign submission with HSM, which completely removes the requirement for smart cards. And you can, of course, look at submission history. You can see who's done what and when. When you're happy, you click on sign submission with HSM, and this takes a few seconds and signs your batch without the need for smart cards. Once the batch has been signed by the HSM, it will return you to the action screen. You can select which one you want, in this case, demo 123, ready to approve. You click on approve, and in this scenario, we are going to get a text message to my mobile phone with a 6-digit code. This needs to be typed back into the screen, ready for multi-factor authenticated approval. Once that 6-digit code has been retrieved, you type in the code and click on verify security code, and at this stage approval is complete. Here you can go to payment instructions, look at the standard 18. You can see that I've created, signed and approved. That might be different people in your case. You click on login, click on sign. This takes a second or two while it communicates with BACS, and then I should get a green button ready to submit the batch to BACS in whichever format I wish, i.e. live or test. In this case, I'm going to click on send submission, and here you can see the submission summary report on screen.